All right, hey, good morning, everyone. Thanks for watching. And I was gonna make a video last night and send it to y'all, but I'm just gonna. This is gonna be Freestyle Friday, so I'm gonna just send it out to, just post it here on YouTube so that everyone can um, see what all is in the mind and in the all seen Forseent for today. Today's Friday. It's Valentine's Day. A lot of people are gonna be wishing for a bloody sell off, but I don't know if that's gonna happen. I had this. So far, it actually I kind of like it. We had some bullish context going on. I was a little worried, just because we kept running up. We wanted a flag. I put this green box here because we wanted a flag in this area. Actually, let me put the spy levels up for y'all too. And I know we made all-time highs as well. On the spy. So, oh, and I was worried here because look at me. You see RSI is like so hot here, and even this moving average RSI was going moving up too. But man, look at we cooled off quite a bit. So I do really like this. And I always talk about these like, I guess this width right here. This tells me that these two have to come closer together, which I mean it's happening right now, so that's why it bounced on that first support down. So um but yeah, this right here, this cooling off, it opens us up for more upside. We could test and probably make it to 6184 now on ES, um or upper here in this short short zone, or counter trend short zone, and the counter trend short at the 6184 level. So, but what I'm thinking today, what I would like to see is it go ahead and dip to 6113, just like the trade plan dip to here, but then recover 6120 23, and then take off from there. Just go straight up again. So looking at something like here, and then here, and then what you'd want to do, well, after some acceptance, in this, after some acceptance in this zone, and when we see a push up, could be 5, 10, 15 minutes, could be an hour, could be till 1 p.m. We should want to reclaim this level. Then I'd probably be bidding maybe 25 or maybe 609 on the spy, and then we'd go up to at least the first target, 6152, and then yeah. Now if that doesn't happen, that's bullish case scenario. It's pretty simple, cut and dry. If we lose this, then we go back down the range. Now, this is where it gets really, really tricky, and it's Friday, so it should be Capital Preservation Friday as well. So if you guys, take it light. Obviously, this is like an easy case right here. If this happens, it'll be pretty easy trade day. Probably trend again. Um, so yeah, I'd be watching that. That's kind of like what I'm hoping for. But oh yeah, and speaking of which, overnight I did catch a short overnight. I think I shorted, this candle, um, like a goober, and then I went to bed, which I'm thankful because um, I probably would have freaked out and stopped out right here. I did have my stop loss set at like 49, maybe it was 50. And then I had to take profit at I think it was like 25. So overnight was success, and yeah, it opens it up for me to take it like super light, or maybe just take today off. So I'll be watching it lightly, especially it's Valentine's Day. You gotta spend time with your loved one. You gotta spend time with the wife. Um, but anyways, this is where it gets complicated. We go down. Bulls don't want to lose this 98 level, so 606, 30 on the SPY. If we do lose it, we want to recover it immediately. And for a possible bid would be, lose this level, tag 86, and then, or maybe even down here, this major support 82, and then recover 98, like quick, like immediate, probably in the same 45-minute candlestick, or maybe even the hour. I mean, you go with the hour. You want to recover that immediately. Because yeah, if this doesn't recover, then we're most likely going to the magnet level again, and then having to spend another week or so in this range. I mean, you can see the range. But this how big it is. So I have a big range. Below there, we have possible fail breakdown at 60.49. So that would be the next, play. And then obviously 20 might have one more bid in it, or one more chance to go long. If 20 does fail, then just we'll just collapse. We'll just sell off. So so that's pretty much it. That's the plate trade plan for today. Those are the things that I'll be watching for, and like I said, I'll be taking it light. Man, I really hope this first play plays out. It'd be nice, because under that it just gets kind of, it'll just be choppy day. So and yeah, this might be the start of multi-week trend leg. And I wanted to talk to you guys about something the other day that I saw when we were going up. But I don't remember what it was. And I was so tired last night. Oh yeah, this basing right here. So yesterday we did this run up, right? Oh, and then this yeah, this tight, leg up. This is really, really healthy right here. All this action. Because we didn't go like straight up or straight down. We went straight down here. This was a CPI release. But when we went up, look, we went up here and then went down. So this is like, some support being built right here. And then we went up here and went down, and look at all this, you know, kind of basing we did. So those two things are contextually bullish. And then yesterday, I'd been saying all day, man, we're gonna rock it, we're gonna go to 125, and yeah, because we had all that basing there, we had this basing here. That's a nice healthy basing. And then you could see all these wicks, to the downside. This was getting rejected. This did not want to go down yesterday. And then we made a little move up. And look at this. It tried to go down. I think I entered again right here. I think, I don't remember my plays. I entered somewhere here and exited, up here. And then You know, and that's only because I'm watching the RSI. You know, I'm a RSI hawk, and I saw this move. You know, I talk about whenever there's this divergence or width or gap or whatever, it makes me uncomfortable holding it anymore. So, um, so yeah, we sold off, and then no, wait, not sold off. We went down, and when I saw this, I was like, oh, this definitely doesn't want to go down. So I think I got in again, like right here, and rode it till about. I didn't quite run it to 25. Yeah, I was holding it through all this right here too, all this space here. I got scared a little bit right here on this initial first candle when we were selling. You know, I saw these two red candles right here, and I was like, man, are we gonna plummet? But we didn't. We ended up basing right here. By the time we made this uh, third candle, actually, it was on the 45-minute. Yeah, we were in the middle of building this one, and I saw that sharp down, but you know, you see this divergence right here, and there's like nothing. So that gave me confidence too, as well, to just stay in the trade and hold till 25. I didn't hold till 25 because obviously we're already hot, and um, it looked like it was struggling, and we had this channel resistance right here that I was afraid that we were gonna dip back into. It was on this candle right here. But we didn't. We just kind of grind it up. Look at this, perfect grind up. And now we made a nice base. We wanted to flag out. We're a little bit higher than we wanted to flag out, and we made new highs. So it makes me a little cautious of going long, which is why, you know, this play tagging 109 or 113, and then recovering 123, 124. That's gonna be the really good play, and I think that that'll just take us up. So yeah, those are my thoughts. Let me know what y'all think, and thanks for watching. We'll see y'all later.